Are you tired of cluttered Jira boards with tasks you just can't seem to get rid of? You know the ones. Obsolete tickets, test items, or just things that shouldn't be there anymore. And every time you try to delete one, the option feels hidden or locked away. Trust me, I've been there. But here's the good news. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove any task in under a minute. We're going to walk through opening your project, selecting the task, and confirming the deletion, all in just a few simple clicks. So let's jump right in. Start by logging into your Jira account. And here's the thing, this works whether you're on the cloud version or a company-managed project. Just go ahead and sign in like you normally would. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard. Now, navigate to your project from the left panel. That side menu is your best friend here. You'll see a list of all your recent projects, or you can click on View All Projects if you need to find a specific one. Go ahead and click on the project that has the task you want to delete. In my experience, this is one of those steps people rush through, so just make sure you're in the right project before moving on. All right, now that you're inside your project, find the task you want to remove. And this is where it gets really simple. You don't need to open the task itself. Just look for the checkbox on the far left side of the row. It's right there next to the task key and summary. Go ahead and check that box. You'll notice the interface changes slightly once you do. A toolbar appears at the bottom of the screen. That's your cue that something's about to happen. And here's the really important part. Look down at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of options. Things like bulk change, export, and right there in the middle, the delete button. Click on that. Now, if you've been looking for this option inside the task itself and couldn't find it, this is why. Jira keeps the delete function hidden in this bottom toolbar when you select a task from the list view, so don't feel bad if you missed it before. I've tested this exact workflow more times than I can count, and it really is the quickest way. Once you click Delete, a confirmation dialog pops up. And this is Jira's way of making absolutely sure you really want to do this. You'll see a text box that asks you to type the word delete, all lowercase. Just type it out. It's a small step, but it's a safety net that prevents accidental deletions. Go ahead and type it in. Now, once that's done, the final delete button at the bottom of the dialog box will turn from gray to a clickable state. Click that button. And just like that, the task is gone. Permanently. No more clutter, no more obsolete tickets taking up space on your board. You've just cleaned up your project in under a minute. So the next time you're staring at a task that's been sitting there for weeks with no purpose, you'll know exactly what to do. No more frustration, no more guessing, just a clean, organized board with only the tasks that actually matter.